So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you about how you can change your username in Windows 11, Windows 10 or any other Windows possible. So let's get started. In order to do this, just search for control panel in your search bar. Once you do this, just click on this user accounts option and click on user accounts. Now click on change your account name and a permission prompt would be open. Just click on yes, and then you have to add your new account name. Just write the account name you want to change to and then just click on change name. Once you do this, it will ask for the permission. Just click on yes, and then boom, your name would be changed. Now remember, the name won't suddenly appear everywhere. So what you have to do is restart your PC or log out to your account and then log back into your Microsoft account in your Windows. Then it will show the change name. So yes, this is how you can change your username in Windows 11 or 10 or any other Windows. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.